Alright, this is going to be a quick video just to illustrate something that I couldn't find anywhere on the internet. I had to figure it out myself. This is a 94 Chevy. It has the factory tachometer. This truck has got a carbureted 350 in it now, no computer, nothing. I bought this truck. Somebody had hacked the wiring harness out of it, and it was laying right there, just like that. So I had to figure out what all the wires went where to make the dash work. The temp gauge, the oil pressure gauge, and everything comes out the passenger side. Typical colored wires. But the tachometer comes in the passenger side, or would have. So all you gotta do is hook it on with an HEI distributor at the Tach connection there. Run your white wire up in here. And if your harness exists, hasn't been cut off, that is your Tach wire. That's where it plugs into the coils. Or if you're putting an external Tach, you could hook to that one. But with the setup I've got, that wire comes into this plug right here. This blue and black plug. And that wire right there is for the factory Tach. And now my Tach functions. So maybe somebody's looking for that. I still got to tidy all this stuff up, and you'll see some temporary stuff on this truck, but I'm trying to button things up here. And again, no computer, carbureted 350. And the instrument panel all works. Well, except the speedometer, because it's got a turbo 350 transmission. But other than that, it works.